Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add holes in Cura Slicer. So basically what you'll need to do is use a third-party app like Blender or 3D CAD because you can't put holes in Ultimaker Cura. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in the simple way with the Tinkercad. It is fully free and you can use it online. So just open a Tinkercad and basically right here what you'll need to do is upload your model, import it, and basically click on this little arrow and you'll see the shapes. So for the holes I'll select the cylinder, and now what you can do is basically make it a little bit smaller, just how you need to adjust it, and you can bring it up, and now you can bring it to the side like this. And basically if you just go on model itself, you will be able to make a hole. So let me just go a little bit more. Okay, not too much. Okay, now I will make it in the center, and what I'll need to do is select on this, and now you can select on the size itself. So what I will do is bring it down a little bit like this, and now basically it will make a hole. So I will export it to STL file and upload it to Cura, so you'll see that it made a hole. As you can see, my hole was a little bit smaller, but you can see it makes a hole right here. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.